Am I really that much? And breaking these figures down like a camera. You don't really just know you are.
It's your girl AK. Welcome back to another video. It's currently 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm about to get ready to go to the airport. This bag is so fucking heavy, dog. But we about to get ready to go. When I get there, I'm gonna have to try to figure out my SD card. Ugh. But
that's big ass. That's that big ass.
okay, for real. Okay, oh shit, he 1 minute. Okay, we gotta go. Okay, hey y'all, we are on the shuttle bus because we got dropped off on the international side and we're supposed to be on the domestic side, but we got an international flight. Baby, I don't got time. It's just too much. But we on here looking like we about to go to Pilates or something. I think I left my fan. I'm irritated. I still got. Okay, yeah, we are. I still got stuff that need to fit in my bag. Don't know where it's going. This in my camera. But yeah, and my camera don't got no space. We made it to the right spot, and babe, the line is all the way at the door. The line is crazy, and we're having to. We gotta drag. I'm dragging my bag, y'all. Look at us. This is so crazy. Hey y'all, it is 6:35. We finally had made it through TSA. Baby, we was in that line for a long time, I'm not gonna lie. But we made it through at 6:35. We're at Starbucks right now. We're at Starbucks right now, getting some breakfast. Well, now you went to McDonald's. So we're at Starbucks, and then we're about to go to our gate. Well, I think we're gonna go to the currency exchange, then go to our gate. And when we get to the gate, that's when I'm gonna try to clear up my SD card soon.
You sure? I promise. It won't take me long.
I'm about to do currency exchange.
So you'll be able to receive 26,000 Dominican pesos for $586.35.
Okay.
And then can I see your ID, please?
Yes. Oh wait, is it here?
Oh, I need my ID too.
If you're paying cash, no, you're good. Thank you.
Thank you.
$500, 1,000, 2,000, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,000, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,000.
Okay.
Did you want an envelope?
Yes, please. Thank you.
How much? 200 and what?
$277.60.
Y'all, so we are at the gates. We're not at our gate, but we're at a gate. Hold on, let me show y'all my TikTok real quick. Wow, 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 wow. Let ride. Okay. Y'all go follow me on TikTok. We're gonna do some more. We are boarding with our big bags, and they didn't make us pay for them. So guess what?
We got through perfectly.
We got through perfectly fine. with our big bags.
I think it's because we walked through here with it.
Yeah.
If we would
have been dragging this
she would
bitch.
have been like, bitch.
So yeah, we. Ooh, baby.
Because I'm ready to.
Okay, hey y'all, we are on the plane. Anaya's sitting over there. But yeah, we're on the plane and we're waiting to take off. I just had to make storage on my SD card because I tried to buy SD cards. I bought an SD card actually from Walmart last night, but then when I put them in this morning, it said something weird, so I'm gonna take that back to Walmart when I get back. And then I tried to buy an SD card in the airport, and none of the electronic stores had any. They said they were sold out, so I just had to clear up so much storage to the point where I had to just download stuff, and it just drained my battery. So my camera is now gonna be going dead. And I just filled up the storage on my iPad. So I downloaded until I couldn't download no more, and it gave me 2 hours worth of space. So that's good enough for my trip. And yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we land, because yeah. Hey y'all, we just landed.
Cell phones or other electronic devices until you have clear customs and immigration. Please keep these items stowed.
Oh, I never.
To help keep our cabin temperature cool for the next flight, we ask that you.
Yeah. We're here. I think so, but it's like full, low key. Hey y'all, so we done made it through, baby. We done made it through here, and there at. We gotta go find my driver. Baby, I look good. Just walking right now to find my driver, honey. I just look so T, like, so T. Thank you.
Your love.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
That was a long wait, girl.
I'm sorry.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, you got the video?
Yeah.
I probably need you to send it to me. Okay, go. Because they doing too much.
They impatient.
It's never been that see.
Spring break.
Oh, it's spring break out here.
Yeah, spring break.
Well, it's my birthday out this bitch. Hey, y'all, we is in the supermarket. We is in the supermarket. Basically, I guess it's like a Kroger or a Walmart. You should just do anything. Ooh, some flowers. Flowers. Okay, what we need to get? Water for sure. Definitely need to get some water. And get. Ooh, it's cold. We walked the grocery to the car for the queen. Did he leave us? I told you.
What is the car?
It's he and the white guy.
I think he left us.
I think he'll better.
What's it for?
Where is he? Is that him back there? That little dirty car back there. I don't know. We don't know where he at.
He's in a white car.
Okay, y'all, we finally done made it to the Airbnb, child. I don't know what about. I think maybe one of these is the bathroom. That gotta be the bathroom. This is our B&B. Nice and cozy. You got a step. And then here we go. Now my camera acting stupid, so please don't mind it. Big ass mirror. Oh, this is what we wanted. baby. Yeah, so big mirror. And this is our funky ass view. I'm irritated. I'm irritated as fuck. Whatever, honey. Okay. Yeah. This is what we working with. I thought the view was gonna be a little better. He didn't tell me it was about construction. But whatever. I'm finna get ready to pee. And then figure out the rest. I'll be back. Hey y'all. My camera going dead, but we're going to get something to eat. I'm walking and shit. Still got on the airport outfit, but I did change my shoes. I changed my shoes. Got me a little purse out. And Anaya didn't change for real. She just got a purse. She just got a purse for real, but
We're finna go get us a scooter, AK.
I guess we about to get scooters. I don't know what the fuck going on. I'm just a young hoe.
Hola.
Hola.
Where the bikes at?
Hola. Yeah, let's put you
No,
on.
aquí no.
Where they at?
Aquí no.
I don't think they speak English. My car just got here. Hold on. I gotta cut this. Hey!
How are you?
Good.
You're welcome.
Thank you. For the queen. Ooh.
It is extremely cold.
Bitch, hell no. Please give me. Hey y'all, so my camera is going dead, but we just got us some KFC. I'm driving order our food for us. Okay then, they come in bottles. Period. See if that come down. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we are going inside of some market to get liquor. I guess, child. But this got wine. I don't see no liquor. Bro, don't piss me off. Now we at the real liquor store, I think.
Hello.
Alright. Oh, they got done.
You looking for something special?
Y'all sell Luna?
Y'all got Lunazul?
Eh?
Lunazul? Y'all got Lunazul?
Oh, what is that?
You don't know what Lunazul?
Ah, no.
No. Cut water? Cut water? Y'all got cut water? Where is it?
Where is it?
He don't
You don't
know.
You don't got cold water?
No, we don't have it.
Y'all don't got nothing.
They only got.
We just got
How much do you drink?
Okay. Alright, thank
fucking Casamigo.
you. You said he's gonna
Fuck that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, because we control the traffic.
He really controls the trap. Go, sister.
I just got done getting ready. And this is what I'm looking like. I don't know if I'm wearing these shades or not, but this is what I got on. So, this top I got from Marshall. These capri tights from Shein. Heels from Shein. Purse from Shein. Bracelets from Shein. I don't know where this bracelet is from. Shades are also from Shein. This is how I'm looking. But y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna keep on the shades or not. But yeah, super cunt. Hey y'all, so we're outside of the Airbnb waiting on our Uber because the black truck service that we was using, he was saying like $15 just to go across the street, and the Uber just charged us, well, in US dollars it came up to $2.47. So yeah, we're gonna go with these. Okay. Because you're not gonna play it. Like, okay, cool. He took us a couple other spots. He charged us $30 US. cool. Opened the door up for us, made sure we got across the street. Literally was controlling the traffic to make sure we didn't get hit. Cool. Y'all, our Uber has arrived. And the code is 0932. Hold on, I don't want my camera to get wet.
0932.
Hello.
0932.
0932.
He don't speak.
Oh.
He don't speak fucking English. I forgot. Sorry.
Hey y'all, so I'm trying to figure out which club we supposed to go into. I don't know.
It's my company.
I'm irritated. Maybe I'm just.
You want to damn what's your thing?
It's my company.
Maybe I'm not passport junkie.
That shit hard. That's in the black truck.
How much is that?
How much is that?
$1,000.
$200.
No $1,000.
That's $200.
Yeah.
That come with the ride.
The chamber.
We'll pick us
I
up.
don't know.
What time we gotta do
You
something?
can book it about with me.
What time? What time he on?
If you okay, look. If you book it about with me, you pay 17 for the book. Black shirt for free. Everything for free.
Hey y'all, good morning. It is like 7:20 something. We're getting ready to go to Domate Park. I might be saying it wrong. I don't know, y'all. But the weather is fucking horrible. Now I'm irritated by that. Like, the weather is fucking horrible. It looked like the sun might want to peek through right there. But I don't know. Like, the weather is just... It's horrible out here. Like, why on my fucking birthday weekend? I would say I picked the wrong weekend, but bitch, I picked the fucking weekend because it's my fucking birthday. But we're getting ready. I'm about to put some sunscreen on. Probably about to eat some of this fruit real quick. I need to check and see how far. I need to check and see how far it is set. Can you pass my phone? Hey y'all, well Anaya ready, and I started getting ready before her, and she said I moved slow. So you know what? Fuck all y'all. This is what I'm wearing today. Pink Nike tech.
Girl, that's not a fucking.
I mean,
So you talking about
Pink Nike Pro. My bad. Wrong Nike shit. But either way, y'all see it. Nike. Shut the fuck up.
I hope I got another. I mean, another.
Shut the fuck up, talk to me. Y'all know what I mean. Okay. Y'all count how many times I'm saying I'm irritated. The fuck? The hell?
This. It's supposed to be waterproof glue, but I ain't finna even risk shit. Sorry. I would risk a lot of things in my life, but this wig coming off is not one of them.
Me, on the other hand,
She gonna risk it.
hey y'all, we on this bus or whatever to do this activity or whatever the fuck. But the weather is bad. This would have been fine if the sun was out. I wouldn't have gave a fuck.
But he know it's close to the bitch.
Y'all, it's so cold and rainy. Where? We still go there. Wait, I didn't see it.
We ain't riding no boat now.
Hell no, I just want to see it. I ain't doing all that. What? No, I ain't put shit in my bag, bitch. This she still proceeds to grab my bag. No, kids do not listen. Fam. We're getting off the bus. Thank you.
Cappuccino, we are here for guiding you today. Allow me to explain to you what you're gonna do today. You're gonna do 7 to 8 activities, guys. You're gonna do the buggy, zip line, horseback riding, and you're gonna test some our organic local products like coffee, chocolate, Mama Wana. Not marijuana, it is Mama Wana, the Dominican drinks. You're gonna swim in one of the most beautiful caves we have in Bavaro, Punta Cana, named Iguana.
Y'all, I guess we about to go to the thing. Right. They rush you over here. No time, no time. Well, I got this little phone holder thing. I don't know, honey. I don't know if I'm able to take y'all with me. I have to use my phone. Zebra, 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 zebra. Rato, gato, capariotola, bratola, tota, tola, cubatota.
This shit hot as fuck. I cannot breathe.
Girl, cut down.
From
I'm from Atlanta.
Elena, yeah.
Yeah, you know about that? Of course you know about that.
What's your name?
AK.
AK. My
Yeah.
name is Christopher. Nice to meet.
Christopher?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Do I need this for zip line or no?
Yeah, I wanna go to zip line.
Zip line, okay. We just.
Am I gonna be able to put this on
Yeah.
with the helmet?
Do we need this for ATV?
Apparently we're doing zip lining first.
Can I get?
I'm scared. We couldn't record, we couldn't take the phone or the camera, but it was so fun. We just did zip lining. So lit. Hey.
apretado y después lo monto. Si te lo hubiese apretado.
That was lit. Miss Scary ass didn't even do all that.
I did.
Va a tener que arreglarlo un chisme en la parte de adelante. Se te está viendo los
Well, I did
movimientos.
all that.
Tú lo jalas un chisme y te la.
I just had to see a couple people
Can I
got.
have some Sprite?
Hey y'all, so we just got done doing horseback riding. I completely forgot to record. It was scary though. I couldn't. It was scary. I recorded a little clips on my phone, so I'm gonna have to insert them and show y'all. But baby, I'm tired. I'm hot. It's too much. Can I take this helmet off? I need a break.
You did a zip lining and horseback riding, yes?
Yes.
All right. Thank you guys once again and welcome to the coffee and the cacao exhibition. We're gonna be testing organic local products like coffee, chocolate, Mama Wana, and some more organic local products. Mi nombre, my name is a sexy cappuccino, right?
It looks like
Coffee and tea. Both sides, you can try one of each. Mama Wana is over here.
and we about to try
The red one.
some stuff. Sorry.
Yeah, it's a the red.
First, let me try chocolate latte because that sounds like hot chocolate.
Alright, what do we got here?
Oh.
I can't taste it yet. It's gonna burn my tongue. Is it real hot?
RV, hot chocolate.
Oh, this is tea.
Hold the phone.
Yeah, I like this one.
This one tastes really good.
Okay, y'all about to try it. What this is?
Hot chocolate, I think. It's not super hot. It could use a little bit more chocolate.
Oh, this is good. Okay, stop the camera. Coffee over there.
Yeah, guys. Hot chocolate.
Dad, the coffee's really good.
Really? Is it decaf?
I have no idea, but it's good.
Oh, keep it. Let me toast. Let's do it. Take another one. Keep it. Let's do it together. Arriba, abajo, al centro, sexy movimiento. Primero. You have to make the sexy move first and then inside. Okay, let's go. Arriba, abajo, al centro, sexy movimiento, and cuchi cuchi.
Girl. I'm scared to drink this. Look at his face.
I'm ready for some more.
Oh, you ready, bro? You ready? Corner.
Ugh. I'm finna get me some cocoa butter. Hold on, y'all. From the Dominicans.
You are a content creator?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, is y'all feeding us? I thought this came with meal.
It do, baby. Maybe not yet. You do too much.
I'm hungry.
Guys, remember my family to travel, not any complication with the products. They are certified for customer.
They better be, because if they make me throw my stuff away, thank you. I'm coming back. Okay. Oh, can I put it in the locker right now?
Next.
Okay, y'all. Thank you. We about to go do the boogie ride. But it's raining, y'all, so I'm gonna have to record my phone. Okay, y'all, we here at the ATV, the buggy, whatever. We're gonna take off in a minute. So we just switched, y'all. And now you're driving now. Oh my God, I'm scared. It's gonna be dirty as fuck. That ain't funny, bitch. Look at me. Now look where I can't get to me. I'm dirty. So yeah, she's not that dirty, but it's okay. I am dirty. I'm dirty as fuck on my side. What the hell? I'm dirty on my side. Done with the buggies, baby. We are dirty. Like,
That's right.
it's junk crazy.
Is that faucet water?
I'm finna go get in the shower as soon as I get there.
I'm okay. I don't want no water. No, I'm good.
Dirty as fuck. So we here now about to get something to eat. Sister, say hey.
Hi guys. Hi chat.
And we about to eat. We just didn't get no water. So what the fuck is we gonna drink? I don't know, but I ain't drinking that water. Don't drink that water. Yeah. Get our food. Anaya was smart. She kept her motherfucking scarf on. I said, you were smart. You kept your scarf on. Let me show y'all the lineup for the food.
Have a drink.
L-A-N-T-A-G-A, this where from. Let me show y'all the food first before I just start chowing down. This is gonna be probably the best part. Thank you.
The regular stuff.
Then we got these rice, chicken. I don't know what this is, spaghetti. What you eat first? The spaghetti?
Yeah. If I could pick this bitch up. I'm trying to smell it.
It don't taste nasty.
Girl, don't taste like nothing.
It got a little twang too. Let me get a pepper with mine.
It ain't bad. But it's not like delicious. So.
That's my nut. I love a good hood jam. Like, why we ain't get a white shot with hands? You don't got no hands inside?
Let me eat the chicken. Okay, the chicken too. That's good.
I don't know about that rice.
This jerk chicken? Oh no, it is oxtail. How the fuck up? No. Who birthday? Somebody said March 4th. I forgot to record. You recording too? Mm-hmm. Y'all the chicken teeth. Somebody cooked it very well. I like the spaghetti shit. No, I need a straw. I guess I ain't got none. Alright. That's water down. That's not all it needs.
Oh, they coming. She coming right to you.
Oh.
Yeah, good job. Go ahead now.
They should have picked me.
Dance now. ATL, shorty.
Get my phone.
How the fuck this be? Who the fuck did your hair? Hey boo, how you know about me? How the fuck she get up there? Oh yeah. We walking to the cave right now. Under the umbrella, mind you.
Mind you, this not ours.
Everybody else, I don't know. But me, as for me and mine,
Got to get the brother.
we're gonna
Got to get the brother.
we're gonna be under the umbrella. Thank
Somebody
you.
else umbrella. This one of the workers. Oh, slow. You walking slow.
Hola, hola.
He's trying to collect aura. Ew.
Okay.
Where is the cave? Wow. Where is your point?
Now we are at the cage.
Is it cold?
About to go in.
I don't. Down here.
He said it cold. Cause I ain't going in if it's cold. Won't have me sick as it out.
What you waiting on?
Oh, we are still here.
No, it is 2:55.
It's time to go.
Too much sexy, too much. Guys, stay on the line, stay on the line, stay on the line. Se querer la fila, sideways, querer la fila, familia. Guys, we already have a lot of sexy and professional now. Let's try with the music. Vamos a intentar con la música porque ya tenemos muchísimos sexy y profesionales. Hey, Eminem, a little bit closer. Un poquito más cerca, come on. This is sexy, mi amor, okay? Everybody tell us a scene.
He trying to say it.
That sexy position. Oh my gosh, Pop Smoke. Sexy sound.
He's me.
Let's try again. Bro, you do like, you know, you can, don't worry, don't worry.
So it is like a lot of hours later. We are dressed and ready to go to dinner. I'm not gonna be able to take y'all because this is the Liberty purse I got, so I'm gonna have to record on my phone. But yeah, we about to get ready to go to dinner. I think we're gonna go to this place called Jellyfish. And yeah, we about to go there. This is what I'm looking like. No makeup. Cute little Fashion Nova, Steve Madden sandals, and this Lulu little mini purse. I just took me a few shots, like only a few, like probably like 4. But yeah. Who? Get an hour Uber, y'all. Call your fucking taste. Call your Uber.
Hi guys, we're gonna be drunk soon. Stay tuned. Who's gonna be the drunkest? Unless it's at TikTok.
It's not gonna be me, bitch. I'm gonna trip out on my films. You can't follow me.
Hey y'all. We not getting no drink, y'all. Drink Point got all the drinks.
Oh, we can be with the game.
How the fuck we still order food if they don't understand us?
You English? Espanol?
So he just nodded.
Me poquito Espanol. Alright, where's somebody?
I'm not gonna lie. I'm here.
Where's somebody speak English? Englishio.
Englishio. Oh my God.
You not super too.
I'm sorry.
Hey, Metal, translate this. Appreciate you, bro.
It does. Hey y'all, good morning. It's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. So we about to get ready to go take our boat pictures. It is hot as fuck. I'm glad it wasn't this hot yesterday, actually. But it's hot as fuck outside. And I don't got no type of cover up or nothing. I don't know. My idea was don't cover up the poochie because it costs too much. But at the same time, I feel uncomfortable. So, I don't know. But this is how I look. Y'all do not mind this Airbnb. That's what I got.
Oh, babe, y'all is not making it to know where y'all want to go.
Hey, y'all. I don't even know when the last time I talked to y'all. I think we was at the Airbnb, maybe. But we're eating pizza right now. So we got some pizza. I got a Caesar salad, but it was nasty. Got a little drink. I don't really like it. We took our kayak pictures. We took out kayak pictures, y'all. I ain't really like that. People be doing stuff on Instagram for the aesthetic and all that, but my stuff, I don't like how mine's probably not gonna be cute. You can't see. You're looking up dead at the motherfucking sun about to blind you. It was just too much.
This say it'll take 20 minutes. The other jet ski place, but it's $99. And it'll take 20 minutes to jet ski.
Oh.
But it's not until 2. And that place is 20 minutes from.
But it's 20 minutes?
Yeah, they said it'll take 20 minutes for us to jet ski. Hey y'all, we
Esa
are
gente
at
se le perdió una chancleta y
the
vinieron a
beach
buscar porque dijeron que
to
estaba en
go
los
to the boat party.
Ellos tres.
Coming back.
Llévale preso a Gabriel.
¿Cuándo fue? Which day was that?
It's so hot out here. It felt better yesterday without the sun out. I'm not gonna lie. I got a headache. Is that blood? I'm fuck out. I wish this was a Chanel.
Quiero gasolina.
Right wristband.
I think it was fucking him up. He kept saying, I was fucking him up. What? White shirt does not know you, nigga. He's a stud.
That's a nigga.
That's a nigga.
Oh, you got it on your arm.
Damn, big bro left us, bro. What are we gonna do now? Birthday boy gone?
We left.
He went back to the B&B.
He didn't want to be here.
He said he don't want to rock the boat for 3 hours for his phone for his house.
He's so antisocial.
Ladies
first! Ladies first, gentlemen! Handicap first!
No string out of work. Out of work.
Everything busting. Much later after the boat party.
I had to take a nap. I'm sorry. I was doing the whole trying to no sleep, no rest thing, but baby, I needed a nap bad. I needed a nap bad. So I just took a nap, took a shower, and then put on this little outfit right here. Nothing too crazy. I'm about to put on this gold purse, some gold sandals. I did have heels to wear with this, but girl, I don't know. I'm tired. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I don't even want to go out. I've had enough fun. Like, the older you get, the more you just like, okay, I done did something. I'm tired. Auntie tired and just ready to. Auntie tired, okay? But I've had a time out here. That boat party was enough fun for me for today, honestly. I think that's why I'm so tired. Being out there in that heat will drain you badly. But yeah, about to get ready to go get some food. Supposed to be going to the club, but I hope that end up not happening, honestly. But I'm gonna get back with y'all. Came here to get food. Hey y'all, so we are getting ready to go. We're packing our stuff up so we can leave. I think the last thing I showed last night is us getting food. So after we got the food, we went and got on stream, was taking shots. I don't know, I don't like the liquor out here. I ain't never done that many shots in my life. I can't with the liquor down here. But yeah, we packing our stuff up now, about to get ready to go. I need to charge my camera up real quick, and yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to the airport. Okay, hey y'all, we just left out of our Airbnb.
I'm ready to go back to 11. I need some fucking Wi-Fi.
It feels so good right here, but we finna go to the airport because we don't have nowhere else to go, nothing else to do. And what the fuck is the airport at? Y'all, this is so confusing. Like, which one is the airport? I ain't even give y'all a tour of the fucking thing.
Just want to see your phone. I need your stuff.
So this is what it looks like. This is good for like 2 people, couple. Other than that, no, cause it's safe for guests. So I'm guessing it's like a sofa bed. So if you really want to make it work, you can make it work. Like it, you can have 4 people, but this is really good for like couples. It's a good spot. And the host, he's really T. He respond back fast. He sent his brother to help us drive us around. Yeah. So I'll see y'all when we get to the airport. Hey y'all, we in the airport. Bro. Fuck.
Let me just.
Hold on, y'all. I need to go to the currency thing, change my fucking money back since I'm gonna be in here for so long.
Just here. You need to take your things.
We are in the airport eating, or about to. I'm trying to sit y'all up because I'm recording on my phone. Because why I just buy a Snapple, 1 can of Pringles, 2 cans of Pringles, and that was $16 fucking. Why? And I got me a hot dog from Nathan's. Probably ain't even damn hot no more.
Yeah, I had to bring the camera out because it wasn't working. But hold the fuck up, because I don't need rush to fall. So we're gonna put y'all. I'll be back. Okay. Now y'all on the little sturdy base. I got these to eat with my hot dog. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like these hot dogs. I knew I should have eat bread. I'm so glad I didn't get 2 of these. I would have been even more blown. Hey y'all, so I'm still at the airport waiting. Still here waiting. The flight got delayed like 20 minutes. But yeah, the trip was fun, and yes. That's what I got on. But yeah, y'all, I'm ready to get home. I want some Popeyes, and I didn't see no Popeyes out here. Like, that's all I want so bad right now is some Popeyes. I don't know, but yeah, I want me some Popeyes. But yeah, this was a fun trip. I'm not gonna lie, I had fun. I had me a time. I had me a good ass time, and now I'm ready to go somewhere else. So I'm gonna get on that for the next location. Dang it. Oh, we are boarding our flight, and we are leaving the Dominican Republic. Never traveling with a bag like this again, ever. But I mean, it was free, but still, never again. Cause I can barely make it right now. So Pat, the man had to start to come back here. Pull that out. I'll show you. Y'all, he had to come back here and regulate this shit. This is crazy. Just hold it to the end. We'll find the same spot, okay? y'all, we just made it back to Atlanta. We had to go through like customs and all that stuff. But we're back waiting on Uber. Y'all, I am so tired of getting in Ubers. Like, I don't know. But I'm ready to go home. I'm hungry as fuck. I need to get me some fucking food. I want some Popeyes really bad. But I'm ready to go home, but I'm also ready for the next trip. So July I'm trying to plan. Well, I think the shit kind of low-key already planned with them, but I don't know, because they said Jamaica, but we gonna see, because I'm going. Found me some new travel buddies. Thank you. But yeah, this is pretty much the end of the vlog, y'all, of my 25th birthday trip in Punta Cana. Oh my god, it's cold. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.